Nakajingwan tur sa sekretariat ban penklanya ke Jingdawa kentiu tulab basis 4% dagi nohikai SSA kata Hadien kendai sengi bala penlongai ke Ïakhih syong kelan mengor Hamadan Malki ki noi lam ke all Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association AMSSASTA hakad nok pai sengi jong ke kendai teri urisau araja arpusau ki noi lam kila yo ekalat banya kran bodu ba polling do menteri badai kemi ikatanat social welfare badai ru nong ai ketien ke Sorkar MDA 2 Habakran sikilat pathai kubor uba Peter Ternyang Presiden Urlong kajing temu bawan tur sa sekretariat ka long banyo ekran badu menteri rangba ka jela Konrad ke sangma kumju yo rakam e sangma menteri katanat puli puthi Henry Kim Don ha office trai kam jongki Uba Peter Urlong baka association kanya kran ru yo ba HM Sangpliang u advisor katanat puli puthi ke Sorkar jela bat benrap baka association kan Bteng Ïakhih Haduh banda Urlong ka mat Jingdawa jongki
From the first of the month of October up to date, it's already 9 days long. So today we had a meeting with all teachers who have come and participated in the implementation. Our teachers, they have decided that we have to force the government. We have to visit again the secretariat, the Education Minister, and at the same time the CM. But when we reach here, the CM and the Education Minister were not available. So we have met the spokesperson of the government of Meghalaya, Paul, and we have discussed with him, and he told us that yes, the government has prepared, and regarding the presence of the Education Minister, he said that in the sake of the Education Minister, he said that the Education Minister has already submitted a first representation to the Chief Minister. But the Chief Minister, he asked again him that he has to prepare another second presentation. That's all, and he has advised us that we have to meet the advisor of education, Sir H.M. Champion. Yes, we are going to meet him because he is the advisor to the education of government of Meghalaya. So he knows well regarding the announcement that we have demanded from the government.
Your name?
My name is Peter Ternyang. He's the president of the All Meghalaya Associate School Teachers Association. The agitation will continue. Will continue until we have achieved our demand. So we will be there in the playground of Malki. We have been there for 9 days long, right from the 1st of October 2024.
Hindi Bteng somayo 죽음ක් 녹사건이보다 plus F
Plus F?
Salanti sa anyo ansung bangan ang kapa nutrients ko kumata unigman ata mirong kari to aro dut ko Bteng somayo peketo plus F ni logo ko namin ibo yarango vitamin aro iron nakapa nutrients ko nangagta aro titisan brenaya unigman nina badang tangza sungani niyamo aro sa ato anyo ba
Minus sa brijok.
Wano mengsaon ang mendeng tanga. Beeno. Nambata nutrition, nambata zangi. Daalin plus F logo dong pa bostu ko zakarbo.
Ïakhih u Bteng pa Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.